Morning, it's Darren Love, the Birdman. I can see this tiny little birds up above me right now. They're tiny, tiny little birds. I'm not sure what they are. I can hear them. Probably not very good at filming them. And it's not very colourful day today, really, unfortunately. So I'm just going on for my walk, and there's a lovely river going along this pathway here, which is always lovely. But unfortunately there's a road nearby, and cars go past occasionally, which kind of ruin it. I mean, listen to all these birds here. Hopefully I might be able to get close to one, who knows. If I walk on the grass, a bit like walking through a jungle. And then these little snowdrops here. How beautiful they are. Now, the good thing is I've got my camera stand with me, so I can go over puddles if I want to. Some more there. And these, if you look closely, they've got little green dots on the end of the petals, which is so beautiful. Now I don't know what that bird is there calling, can you hear it? Some more snowdrops there. Beautiful. Sounds like a robin or a blackbird. Blackbirds and robins sort of, to me, they kind of behave the same a little bit, but robins are more likely to come up to you and investigate you, whereas blackbirds will run the other way. So if I go this way, because someone's walking, unfortunately they probably won't want to be filmed. So I'm just trying to find this bird here singing away. The thing is, they move. Birds move, you know. They're always hiding. So let's go this way. Just went that way, just let that lady and dog go by. So, there's some more snowdrops here. They're all over the place. Some more there. I've not really seen any rare birds yet, unfortunately. You can hear them. They hide away from everyone. They hide in the bushes. I can see a wood pigeon up there. I think it's a wood pigeon anyway. I see it now. I think I can hear a woodpecker. Can you hear it tapping? Be good to see a woodpecker today. You hear it tapping. I mean, it might be a squirrel. There's some tiny little birds. But there it is. Go on. There it is, can you see it? It's a woodpecker. It's a bit dark. So I didn't think I'd see a woodpecker today. Hoping that it'd get a bit closer to me. And it's hiding. Trying to keep the camera still as I can. There's the chipping. Fortunately someone's coming. So that's it from me. Something's flown away. Have a good day.